I never had that many friends growing up, so I learned to be okay with just me, just me, just me, just me, and I'll be fine on the outside. I like to eat at school by myself.